Priya ma'am, are you there, ma'am? You can unmute your mic, please. Ma'am, dear participants, the session is going to start. Whether my voice is audible, I think voice is audible to all. Uh, Good evening to one and all present here. With immense honor and delight, I take this opportunity to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. M. Ambika. Ma'am, Ambika, ma'am, are you present? Ma'am, Rikingla, are you there? Ma'am, Ambika, ma'am, are you able to hear my voice? Ma'am, you can unmute and you can speak, ma'am. Ambika, ma'am. Ma'am, Ambika, ma'am, are you able to hear my voice, ma'am? Audience, you can hear my voice, ma'am? Here, audience, my voice is audible to all. மேம் நீங்க அன்மியூட் பண்ணி பேசலாம் மேம். நீங்க இல்ல மேம் நான் ஸ்டார்டே பண்ணல. அதான் என் வாய்ஸ் இல்ல மேம் எல்லாத்துக்கும் கேக்குது மேம் என் வாய்ஸ்.
Sir, am I audible?
Audience, wait for a few minutes. Madam, whether it is audible, my voice is audible to all. Ambika ma'am, whether my voice is audible to you? Okay, ma'am. Ambika ma'am, whether my voice is audible, can you speak? கேக்குதா ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can hear
Okay,
you,
ma'am.
sir.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, sir.
Good evening to one and all present here. With immense honor and delight, I take this opportunity to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. M. Ambika. Dr. M. Ambika is currently working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Indian Institute of Information and Technology, Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. Her research interest includes data mining, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and recommendation systems, precision agriculture. With nearly 18 years of teaching and research experience, Dr. Ambika ma'am has also served as a head of the department for more than 3 years in an engineering college and currently holds various academic and administrative responsibility. She has published 21 articles in the international journal and over 28 articles in international and national conference. She is an active reviewer for several international journals and conference. She has also undertaken a consultancy project titled Unique Brain Inclusive Learning Hub, nurturing neurodivergent potential. She has published a pattern, nearly three book chapter, and authored three textbooks. She has organized many workshop FDP seminars. Dr. M. Ambika is a lifetime member of MSITE, MIAEHG, and SDIWC. Her dedication to knowledge sharing, innovation, and student development makes her an inspiration to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm, wholehearted welcome to a leader, a mentor, and an inspiration to many, Dr. M. Ambika.
Good evening, sir. So thank you for the introduction. And I'm very happy to be a part of this FTP. First of all, I thank HOD, Dr. Kiran Bala sir, for giving me this opportunity, and also the entire organizing team. Shall I proceed with the presentation, sir? Sir, shall I proceed with the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes. Then my slide is visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So actually, this FTP is on mainly focusing on SDG and various goals of SDG. So for me, the topic given was SDG 5. So, and I have to focus on how AI and ML will be applicable for SDG 5. So let me start with this. So just I will give an overview about what is SDG. Let me give an introduction of what is SDG, and then let me go with what is the main goal of SDG 5 and its various parameters and how we are doing, how it is done in India, and how AI and ML will be applicable for this SDG 5. So this SDG, as we know, Sustainable Development Goal, actually it is a blueprint for achieving a better and sustainable future for all. And I think this is our third day session. So many of you are aware about this SDG. It was initially developed by United Nations in the year of 2015, and they came up with agenda for 2030 for the sustainable development, and nearly 17 they have nearly 17 goals. And in the year 2016 it was started they started the implementation work. Mainly they're focusing on social, economic and environmental dimensions of development. So yes. So actually, this SDG having majorly 17 goals. So this various color represent various goals of SDG. So, and they divide this various goals under three different factors. One deals with biosphere, and another with society, and some set of SDG goals that deals with economic for the development of all over the world, and all the countries, many countries have agreed upon it, and they are following it. So here, today in this session, I'm going to focus on SDG 5, mainly deals with the gender equality. Um, and it is one of the main main goal compared with other SDG. So gender equality, that is achieving gender equality and empower all women and girls. This is a main motto of this SDG 5. And this is the logo they are using for this SDG 5. So every SDG having a separate logo, and they have their own color schemes and all. So the main target or main goal of this SDG 5 is to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. And this is also one of their logo they are giving how to do this. Okay, so to achieve this gender equality and empowerment, the aim is to provide, that is it a prerequisite, it is one of the basic goal for in the among the sustainable development goals, remaining goals. So if we achieve this, we can achieve nearly 5 more goals of this SDG. So they aim to empower and provide equal rights and opportunity for women, girls, and privileges. That is the main aim is to provide an equal opportunity, rights, and privileges for all the girls and women. So, and also they are focusing on that is it's a combination of human rights plus economic growth and the social progress. So their main focus is on human rights. Their main focus is on human rights. That is how to, that is what is that is give a equality for all the women and girls. So today topic is mainly good for girls, and I hope many participants are here. The participants are a combination of boys and girls. But here, let me show you how the uh, gender equality will improve the growth of the nation and also for even an individual family also. So as this topic is more focused on women, uh, this gents can also get some benefited points from this, I hope. So there are some key targets. There are some key targets we are focusing on, that is SDG 5 is focusing on. So this nearly 7 to 9 key targets, I have grouped them into a category. So first key target is to ending the discrimination and violence. The main aim is to end the discrimination and violence. Then ensuring equal rights among the women and girls for all the properties or another all the properties or economic or resources. Then promoting participation in decision making and all the major roles and politics or public life. And they have to give a recognition and value for the unpaid work and domestic work. That is the main target is to give the recognition for the unpaid work and care given by the women and girls, and also access to the service. So various services, that is healthcare services or healthcare how to take care of the health, and we have to provide an access to various services and ensure that whether they are going to reach all the girls or all the women. And technology and empowerment, that is promoting women empowerment to access to the various technologies like internet and mobile phones. So they are measuring, they are having various targets to measure the development of this SDG, and these are the major categories. So later I will show you how that is. It was started. This all this SDG was started in the year 2015, and as of now it is 2025. I will show you what is the progress of these categories and how it is developed, or any shortage is there. If so, what will be the reason for the shortage and all? Yeah. So though the target is achieved, that is most countries, even Tamil Nadu, we have a better development for the women and girls, but still some places, still they are lagging some of the factors due to various challenges. So some of the challenges are mainly the persistent barrier, the main that is persistent barrier in the sense a barrier in the culture, that their culture barrier remains a major barrier for that is for the lack of this growth of this SDG, and uneven progress, and impact of the COVID-19 also plays a major role in the progress of this SDG 5. So though the development is good, in still some stages this development is not so good. So this graph shows how that is moving backward on the long road to gender equality. So in the year 2020, it is it's a combination of 2020, 21, 22, and 23. So on the overall gender gap has been somewhat it is reduced. And it here the figure shows about the various statistical studies on economics and political and education, how the gender gap was reduced in the year 2020, 21, 22, and 23. So somewhat it was progressive, but compared to 2021 and 2020, the result was again going down. This may be the impact of the COVID and other factors. Yeah, and these figures I'll come back. Actually, uh, the Sustainable Development Goal, they gave a report in the year 2025. So this report give a various statistical factors on the growth and also the shortage or drawback where there is some gap remains in major areas. So again, they are focusing on various factors like this. In many countries, still that is how the child marriage are taken care, and the land ownership, that is property rights, whether the property right is given to the woman or girl, and in case of politics, whether women are participating in the election or not, then how the women are participating in the managerial post. As we saw, the major key factors. So based on those major key factors, here a statistical report is given. So first statistical report is women in managerial positions. So comparing with the year 2015 to 2023, this report shows various countries for how their managerial position is managed by the women in the year 2015 and 2023. So that is, some countries have a good progress. Still, some countries the progress is delayed. That is, it was coming down compared to the year 2015. So some Central, South Asia, and Eastern Asia part, that progress is down. Similarly, this is about the election, how the women participating in the election or politics, etc. So in case of parliamentary elections, it was there is a small growth from 2015 to 2025, and local government also they have many are participating compared to the parliament election. And this second graph shows about the various participation of women and men with various age categories. So age 30 under, so this is, and all the red color factors indicate the woman, and that is pink color, that light standard color shows the men. Still, there is a good progress, but still there are so many gaps comparing to men. And this one is land ownership, whether the equal rights is given for the women in case of land ownership or other properties oriented. So again, the progress is not so good. Very high means is very limited, and whether none means no property right is given to women is shows a high percentage of ratio. And this statistical report was taken by the SDG report given on the year 2025, a current recent report. And this one more very important, usage of mobile. So whether the usage of mobile phones by the women is good, what is the current status? So this is country-wise status. So this blue color is women, and that sandal, that is yellow color is men. It was somewhat not good. Similarly here, compared to men, that is population without mobile phone. So it is 57 million, which is very high compared to men. And similarly, this is the overall. So in the year 2021, it was that is ownership was high, but now it is keep on going down. So the various statistical features shows that though there are so many policies taken by the government, still there is a gap in the development of, which leads a blockage for the development of women. So as a whole, this is a summary of education, how it is its comparison between men and women. Still, there is a gap in many areas like leadership or workforce participation and so on. So, can you able to follow me? Whether it is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And this is a statistical report given based on the parliamentary report that in the year 2024, that is just 0.3 percentage. It is totally 7.2 percentage of women have participated. Just a 0.3 points from the 2015. So from 2015 to 2024, nearly 9 years, we have raised only 0.3 points in election part. So, and some more challenges, that is workplace disparity, that is there is a imbalance in the payment of the salary, and the STEM, that is underrepresentation, that is not equal participation in STEM. Or STEM, we know science, technology, engineering, and mathematical fields. So there is no equal participation according to the statistical report, and also bias in the data policies and also AI systems. So there are gender bias is applicable everywhere it goes. So now this is the overall progress and overall status of SDG all over this United Nations. Now let me focus on how this SDG 5 is taken care by India. So our Indian government has created so many schemes mainly for women and for the development. So I have listed some of these schemes. So I think we have heard this many schemes, but still let me show what are the basic schemes available for women and in in our country. So Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao. So it was launched in the year 2015. So mainly to address this child sex ratio and promote girls' education. And Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana. This scheme is, we all know the scheme, free LPG connection for women. So to mainly to develop them, by this replacing unclean cooking fuel. Then maternity benefit. So maternity leave was granted for benefit of women, and Stand Up India scheme. So this was launched in the year 2016. So they promote entrepreneurship among women and SC/ST candidates. And this one, Mahila eHat. It is an online marketing platform specially developed for women entrepreneur and self-help group and other NGOs in the year 2016 by the Ministry of Women and Child Development. And in order to increase or encourage the girl participation in STEM, that is the science and the technology, Vijay and Jyoti scheme was introduced and also NSF Advanced Program Support Women Faculty in STEM. And nowadays, even they are giving so many scholarship for girl students who are pursuing engineering, or that is tech engineering, through this scheme. I think it is Vijaya Lakshmi scheme is there for a scholarship scheme for mainly for women who is going for UG degree in any engineering college. So many schemes, some we may aware, some we may not aware. So as a faculty, we should encourage our students to make aware of these schemes, so it may be benefited for the students also. And women participation in workforce. So workforce and leadership. So generally, this is also improved. So there is one special award given by the central government. We call Nari Shakti Puruskar Award. This award is given by all the it's given by the central government to all the women achievers all over the country. So it's open to all, and everyone can apply for it. And if they satisfy the limit, they can get this award. It is one of the prestigious award, mainly for encouraging the women achievers. And also nowadays, that is budget, a special budget was allocated to mainly address the women need by the central government. And also in the panchayat election, local panchayat election, nearly one third of the seat was reserved for the women. So these are the special step taken by the government for the women participation in the workforce and leadership. So this is a background work. That is why what is SDG 5 and what is the current status of SDG 5 and what is it main challenges in achieving the growth. So now we have find out what will be the challenge. Now let me show you some AI/ML based solution for it. So how AI and ML can be used in achieving this or in improving this SDG 5. So AI and ML plays vital role in all the areas. It is in all the domain. Actually, it is an interdisciplinary field. It can be used in all the domains. So here, let me show some of the AI and ML techniques which can be used in improvising this SDG 5. So some of the basic role of this is it can be used for bias detection. It can be used for safety. AI and ML technique can be used for healthcare concept and education purpose for mentoring the women and policy insights. So this is an overview. So let me show some other part also. Yeah. So so in India, we are having so many applications or website which is using AI technology to improvise these concepts, some of the concept like safety purpose or healthcare or educations. So many apps are available with various AI based techniques. So let me show you or explore two main app which I feel was interesting, and I will show you what is that app, how it is working, and what are the basic AI concept implemented under that one. And then let me come back to this. So I want to tell one more point mainly on this, that achieving this SDG 5 will also help us to improvise SDG 1, 3, 4, and 13. So for all this, in order to achieve a good health outcome or good promotion education or here it is addressing climate change or that is ending poverty. So everywhere, in order to achieve these SDG 5, the basic one is SDG 5. So I will show you two main case study application. One is sheros.com. Another one is mysafetypin.com. So I will show you one by one. First, let me show you the app and then let me go on with the various technology. Whether my screen is visible now? Can you able to see that website?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, sir, yes. So already I've logged in. So let me come out first. Okay. So this is a website. So this website will provide information on various aspects for the that is mainly for the education of women and for sharing to become an entrepreneur. That is, they can share their entrepreneur details, their online shopping details, and they can have a community just like our Instagram and other various factors. This is one of the important social media that is particularly dedicated for women. So we have to log in first. So we can log in with either Google or Facebook. So when we log in, it is asking for it will take a photo of us and it will evaluate whether about the gender factors. So already I've done. So let me go on with another one. So we have to choose the language. Yeah. Then we have to give the name and the date of birth. So randomly give some date of birth. So again, it will ask for verification with the photos. Yeah. So this is a website specifically done for women. So I will explain the technical aspect of this website now in a few minutes later. So let me show you how it is working. So it is focusing on various aspects of women interest. That is either it can be about the career or healthcare or cooking. So let me give some of the options and I'm showing continue. Yeah. So just like our Instagram, so here we have various options. So general post will be available here and various community-based exploration can also be done here. And it also support various courses. They give a technical information, various that is technical information that is general education. Okay, general education be given. And this one, so you see here online safety tips, digital safety tips. Again, this is also a general education part, and this is just like a feed. So one can feed their views or thoughts, and just like Instagram, we can see over it, and here we can explore it. So let's go with health. So they can post their health related informations. Anybody can post who is in the group. So it is one of the app. So just like our Instagram, we can have this one which support us in different ways. So this is a basic overview of this app. Now let me share the technical concept, how it is working, how AI and ML plays a role in this app. Just 1 minute. So whether my screen is visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So just a small introduction about this She Rose app. It is a women community platform empowering AI and ML. So let me go on with the slideshow. So this app, this app will provide a support and resource and opportunity for the women for sharing various things like discussing about the health, their career, their relationship, and their personal stories. So their vision is to put up to 100 million women on factor, but so they are in the progress of it, and they have received many award and recognition by various social group. So I think it is one of the good app as I feel. Just recently one day I explored this and I feel it is a better one. So they have achieved nearly 100 million women also. Okay, now coming to the technical aspect, how AI and ML plays a major role. So this app or website we can take, they have a personalized feed and recommendations. So based on the individual user, actually personalization is one of the major concept in machine learning, or that is we can go with AI. So based on, as we all know, based on the personal interest, a personalized recommendation can be given. So this app will provide personalized recommendation based on this content-based filtering, collaborative filtering, and all the remaining hybrid combinations of this. So we can post various things, and based on the user interest, this content-based filtering or collaborative filtering and hybrid filtering can be used. So this is one important aspect of this app with recommendation system. And second one, it has a support for AI chatbot. So when we talk with AI chatbot, then by default NLP plays a major role. So that is NLP. Other than NLP, nowadays LLM also came into picture. So large language model, it is the next version of it is a Gen AI. So we all know Gen AI and various built-in learning models are available. So some of the models, as I have mentioned, is BERT, GPT, and sentiment analysis are already it's an existing built-in model. So we can use it for our model development. So here, this app also supports this AI chatbot with various models as of this. So they are planning to provide 24 cross 7 support for 24 cross 7. So that is now that is here. I want to add some point. This AI chatbot, AI based chatbot, we can go with the Gen AI. It nowadays the work that is scope of this research domain is very high. Not only for this, we can follow this Gen AI for various applications, specifically for various applications. So when I come to this topic like SDG 5, women development, we can create a Gen AI for mainly for the education purpose of girls or women, various type of education which cannot be given in a open forum. So it can be like this. We can give a specific AI so that they can ask various doubts they need, which they cannot open in a public forum. And next one is content moderation and safety. So since uh, since we are sharing various informations, they have to provide a safety measure also. It is so this platform is safe and it is harassment free. So various CNN technique, that is various deep learning techniques plays a major role here. Yeah. Next one is this one, career and job matching. So again, as I said here, for profile filtration with the gender bias. So we have to filter the profile by gender bias, not in a gender biased manner. So that is we have to omit this gender. So NLP major plays a major role here. So NLP skill accelerations, extraction, similarity search, and ranking based profile can be done. So again, AI plays a major role here. And finally, this one, marketplace and entrepreneurship support. So since they are supporting entrepreneurship and marketplace, so they are focusing on recommendations and time series forecasting and regression for pricing. So they need to forecast something which will happen in future. So for that, we can go with the temporal database and time series data and also regression. It's one of the best option for prediction. So again, this AI plays a role here with these various type of subdomains in this app. Last one, I think community insights and analytics. So here again, so based on that is identifying the trends and emerging need. So for that, we have to analyze everything. So for this analysis, again, AI model, sentiment analysis, and we can also go with the clustering concept also. So this is how a short description how AI can be used in improving this woman empowerment. So up to this, any clarification is needed? Shall I proceed with the another app?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. The next app is Safety Pin. So it's an app which is mainly used for women's safety. So I will show you what is first, then we can go on with the features of it. So an app is My Safety Pin is the app. So this app mainly for young women. That is mainly for we can use whenever we travel, whenever we go from one place to another place. And the logic behind this app is again AI and ML. They are collecting. So actually, the base. Let me explain the basic overview of this app. This app actually, um, they tag the geo tag. They have a geo tag also. So what is the basic logic is they will get various places. They will let me tell you that they will take the details of various major places. What is where is that location? Whether the location is safety or not, based on the availability of light, based on the availability of other persons. Or for example, we are going for a new place and we are planning for a walking. So this app will support us whether we can go for walking or not, whether this place is safe or not. So this app can be easily downloaded from our Google Play Store, and we have to give our personal information. And then everyone who are interested can post on this app. So based on that score, it will tell whether particular place is safety or not. So let me show again the working principle of this app and how ML is used over there. 1 minute. So in this slide, mainly I'm going to focus on this My Safety Pin app and how it enhances safety. So it is a personal safety app designed to help you move safer from one place to another place. So mainly here we are going to use the safety score. The safety score is calculated based on the various factors like light, walking path, security, public transport, and some other parameters. So totally across, they are taken across 9 parameters. So that is based on the real-time data and data provided by the crowd. Everything is evaluated based on the 9 parameters, and the score is given. So based on the score, we can tell whether we are in the safe place or we are in the unsafe place. So here, yeah, as I said, we can download this app from the Google, our Play Store. Okay. So when we open, that is when we open this app, we can rate, that is, we can upload a photo image of any public space and we can rate various parameters. As I said, 9 parameters are there. So the 9 parameters like lighting is there, openness, visibility, how the crowd is there, whether there is any security nearby, walk path, and public transport is there, gender usage is there, and any other feeling. So these are the major parameters they are used for evaluating this app. So based on this, the score value will be taken. So that score value can be used when we move for one there is any new places, when we are in another new places which lonely, whenever the girls or women going on a in an individual way, they can use it for their safety measures. So when they travel, the app shows a safety score for the nearby area. So we can browse it and we can go for it. Similarly, whenever we are in a cab or a travel, this app help that it will be connect to the Google Map, and we as a user we can monitor it. That is how it is connected. As from the parents or their guardians can monitor it where they are going. And similarly, this app will give an indication that when the particular user is not moving and they are standing in one place and they are not moving further, then it will give an intimation to the nearby, their well-wishers or their parents or a guardian. So many safety measures they are having. So it can also, that is, they also show the various factors. Actually, here the slide is not shown. Show here. Yeah. So that is whether any near police station is there, any NGO or for various support is nearby. And also it tells a safety route. What is a safety route whenever we are travel or going alone in a travel. And similarly, as I said, if the particular location is not moved or if the particular one is standing in the same location, it will give informations to their family or loved ones. So these are the various special aspect of this app. So as I said, this is a summary table. So safety audit will be there. Nearby insights can be there. Safety route, it will mention the safety route, and tracking system is there. And any support is given, it is mentioning what are the NGOs available nearby. And also quick audit. So everything is based on the score. The score is calculated by these 9 major parameters. So yeah, here this app itself will show a workflow. I'll show you a workflow where that machine learning is used. Now, 1 minute. Yeah. So this is a workflow of this entire app. So this entire app will take this geo-mapped timestamp or photos. That photo will be pre-processed or it will be analyzed with the help of this various machine learning techniques. So again, in this app also, the back work is done by the ML. Since we are going with photos, so we can also go with DL. And finally, they help to analyze and they give a prediction, and also they will support in forecasting also. So again, this is one of the very good app that every ladies can have with us. And the background work of this app is supported by the ML process. And yeah, this app has a connection that is many awards are taken by this app also. And these are the sponsors of this app, various supporters of this app. So coming back to the summary of this, yes. So this SDG 5 is one of the major SDG 5 is one of the important goal among all the 17 goals. So when we try to achieve this, we can also achieve the various goals like SDG 1, 3, 4, and 13. So I think already 1, 2, and 4 has been the presentation is over. So this today we are seeing about 5. So not only that, our AI and ML is not a technology tool. It also used, if it is well planned, it can be used for a social transformation. We can go on with the various research work, mainly with the improvement for the society, and it can be used for the current users. So I have shown you various ways where this AI and ML can be used, various new domains where we can go on with start our research work. I have just shown a small thing, but this can be a help you. This will help you to focus on various researches which can be done in this domain. Yeah. So I hope this session was useful. Any queries from the audience?
Ma'am, I will enable all the mics, ma'am. Just a minute.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Audience, I have unmuted your mic. You can ask any questions regarding this session. Participants, you can unmute your mic and ask questions. Any questions? Ma'am, ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you told me whenever that it's whenever they are not moving, it will intimate it to their guardians or parents.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
right,
sir.
ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays,
Yeah, whenever
most
mm,
most of the adults are what they are they will mischievous and don't want to share some of the information to their parents. They suppose they are going to some mall without getting permission from the parents. So in that case, they want to escape from these things. Suppose they are watching movie for 3 hours, means it will be staying for a long time. It also
uh,
happens, right, ma'am? In that case, how it
yes,
will
sir.
works, ma'am?
Sir, actually, this app is for the safety purpose. So if they are purposefully doing, then it won't be work. They have to switch it off. Otherwise, generally, when we go for a new place or when we are regularly coming from the office or when we have a regular watch up, this can be a better option, sir.
So, okay, ma'am. So it might be like a limitation of this app, right, ma'am? Is there any
Yes, sir.
possibility to overcome this? Because
Uh, uh,
many students are it's too far. They are staying in long places while doing colleges. and it's very tough to monitor their monitoring their activities.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So in that case, will this app will support to how long, how much level? What is the level we can rely on this app, ma'am? Because most of the nowadays Tamil Nadu, many other state students are coming here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's very sometimes where NRI students are coming here. Their parents in Gulf countries. Even most of the African
Yes, sir.
peoples are they are coming and they are doing some illegal activities. So
Yes, sir.
cases are there.
Yes.
They after some period they need to go back to their countries, but still they are roaming in India.
Yes, sir.
So there are a lot of problems, ma'am. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So
So nowadays
actually,
our
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please
tell me.
continue. Continue, sir. Continue, sir.
Nowadays the students are adults are too or they are too techy than us. That's a problem.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, the safety measure and this harassment measures, it will be that is this will happen without the involvement of a particular girl or a woman. In such case, this app will be a useful one. But for general monitoring, no, sir. Actually, this app is having a details about various locations and their scope. If you go for a new bus stand, when we are in travel, if you go for a new place, for us, it can be information whether it is a good or not. But staying in a hostel or staying in one institute, it will be a same condition. So they cannot find the differentiation in that. So whenever they are in a travel or when they are returning their home after in a vacation, that time this app can be used for monitoring them, whether they got the train or whether they are in travel or where is currently where is he or she. Actually, even in our map, Google Map nowadays, we are sharing this. We are sharing the live location, but this is somewhat better than that. It is actually connected with Google Map also. Once we started the travel, it will be connected with the Google Map, and it will also show some other more details other than that Google Map.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Anyway,
it
we
will,
have is more clue to find them and what they're doing under like that, ma'am.
yeah, yes. And for that, actually, this for the scope. I will explore some more app also. Any better to monitor fully? It's not possible because nowadays students are very tricky than us, and they know the ways how to handle their parents also. So we have to find out some more better app to monitor them fully.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Participants, any other query, any other questions are there? Okay, ma'am, we can take a break and we can continue in next section after
Okay,
10
sir.
minutes.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Participants, we will have a break for 10 minutes and we will start a session at 7:30. Another one request, participants check whether your many of the participants have not got approval for this FDP, but they are in the FDP. Check your status in your ATAL portal.
Sir, whether my voice is audible now, sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
are
Yes,
you
sir.
are you there, ma'am? Ambika, ma'am?
Yes. Yes, sir. I'm here only, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Ma'am, we can start the next section, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Participants, next session is going to start.
Good evening. Again, welcome back. So whether my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes. So I welcome you back for the second section. So second session is focusing on SDG 6. So this SDG 6 is mainly focused on clean water and sanitation. So, so let me start the presentation as usual. Let it give me a recap of what is SDG, then what is SDG 6, and how India progress in this SDG 6, and what are the causes for the slow progress or some delay in the progress. Then, as usual, let us see how AI and ML plays a major role in achieving this SDG 6. So I will also explore some of the app later to it. And also I will show various hot research domain because it is one of the important topic where many researchers currently going on. So since it is dealing with water, we can correlate with many aspects and we can integrate various domains as a research perspective. So let me start with this. So this is as I said, an introduction for SDG. Actually, generally SDG is a blueprint for achieving better and sustainable future for all. And it has a title that transforming our world, the Agenda 2030, Agenda for Sustainable Development. So by the year 2030, everyone is planning for a good progress under various subdomains or various goals. And every progress is measured every 5 to 10 years. And they are also giving a report over it. And the report shows various graphs and everything. So totally it consists of 17 goals and nearly 169 targets. So under every goal, we have various targets. So in the previous section, we have seen the target of SDG 5. Nearly 9 targets are there, and these targets are achieved by various forms. And still some targets are in good progress, and still some targets are there is a delay in the progress due to various factors. So mainly, as I said, they are focusing on social, economic, and environmental dimensions of the development. So this United Nation as a whole, they have generated this role, these goals, SDG goals, and it is purely depend upon the country. Each and every country, they have to frame their own policies and rules and regulations to achieve it. So based on their country policy only, we have to measure their achievement, that is growth of this SDG goal. Because every country have their own terms and conditions and policies for it. So let me go on with the SDG 6. So the SDG 6 is clean water and sanitation. So the main target or main aim is to ensure access to safe water source and sanitation for all. Again, they have their various logos for each and every SDGs, and this is I have shown you various. This is one type of logo, and these are the various logos for this SDG. Similarly, every SDG has their own predefined logos. So the main goal of this clean water sanitation is to ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all by the year 2030. So that is a main target of this SDG 6. So to ensure the availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for everyone. So among all, I feel personally that this SDG 6 plays a major role because it deals with the human rights, because water and sanitation is very essential for everyone's survival. So it deals with the basic human rights. Nearly over 2 million people all over the world lack safe drinking water. And as per the statistical report, and around 3.6 billion people does not have access to safely managed sanitation. So this unsafe sanitation or poor sanitation or unsafe water may lead to various disorders like this cholera, diarrhea, and typhoid. So which leads to that is unpreventable or unpredictable death also. So a improper maintenance of this goal may lead to health impact, has various health impact. And not only the health impact, they will also affect the various economic impact also. So since lack of clean water will especially for women and children, because they are more drinking water. So, so this proper maintenance of this SDG 6 will improve the health factor also bad. Finally, it will improve the economic impact. So, universal access, that is a safe and affordable drinking water for all. Sanitation, adequate toilet and hand washing facility for everyone. And water quality. So we have to main target to reduce the pollution. And water efficiency, that is improve usage of water in agriculture, improve use in agriculture and industry, and another one. And integrated management. So implementing integrated water resource management and ecosystem production. And finally, international cooperation, that is for sharing of knowledge and technologies all over the world. So the main target for SDG 6 or this. So we have to achieve all this target under this goal. So this is the overall perspective of SDG 6. Now coming to the perspective with our country. So some of the main issues we are facing is nowadays our country is facing a water stress. Water stress means water stress will occur when the demand of the water is more than the available supply, or when poor quality is there. So we are now moving towards this water stress, and also the groundwater depletion. That is a continuous decline in the groundwater level due to over extractions. So everybody is keep on extracting water. So our country, our country is mainly facing this water stress and groundwater depletion. A third major factor is pollution. So river like Ganga and Yamuna face severe contamination from various untreated sewage and industrial waste. So these are the major issues as reported by this for our country. And let us try to provide a solution for these issues with our ANML technique also. So as I said, water stress means demand when the demand is greater than the supply and there is a poor quality of it. And similarly, groundwater depletion means over extraction as then the need. That is, the water will be, it has to be generated normally. It becomes an automatic manner. So if we extract more than what it is generated, recharged, like we go with the water depletion. So these both are interconnected. So we can provide a solution for this using various methods like efficient water irrigation, rainwater harvesting, groundwater regulation, and climate adaptation. So using these methods, we can save our groundwater level and we can also try to reduce the water stress. So according to this that sustainable the SDG report 2025, they have given the level of water stress in the year 2022. So it is keep on that is in the northern Africa and Western Asia, the water stress is very high compared to some other countries. So it is a worldwide record. So overall, it is 18. It is only 18% of this. So the water stress is some more high even in our country also. And water usage efficiency. So here this table compare the 2015 and 22, the water usage efficiency. So compared to the year 2015, the 22 shows a high water usage. And this is a war over world record. So compared to 2015, the water usage is very high. So it will keep on increasing, but still we have to maintain the supply of water, the underground water level and everything. And this is how there's integrated water resource management. So actually, in the year that is up to 2023, we have achieved 57%, and our main target is to achieve by the year of 2049 to 91%. And still, this is an estimated projection. Okay, and still there is a gap to achieve this target. So this gap has to be removed or reduced. So as a department of as a CSE department faculty, we can provide any solution for improvising this with the AIML or any IoT based or any other recent technology so that we can achieve this one. So some of the initiative taken by our government. So these are the various schemes our government has taken to improve this, to reduce this water stress or to improvise the goal of this SDG 6. So Jal Jeevan Mission, it was started in the year 2019, and Swachh Bharat Mission, it was started in the year 2014, and Namami Ganga, 2014, cleaning and rejuvenating the Ganga River. And Bhujal Yojana, again, promoting sustainable groundwater management, and National Rural Drinking Water Program for providing safety and adequate water in rural areas. So these are some of the initiatives taken by our country in supporting this SDG 6. So now let me focus. Yeah, up to this, am I clear?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, shall I proceed now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So So now I'm going to focus on the role of AI and ML in SDG 6. So it acts as a force multiplier for this SDG 6 by providing data-driven insight, real-time monitoring, and predictive intelligence. So these are the various factors where this AI and ML plays a role. So in the future of water sustainability may lies on the technology, that is various technology we are using like AML, IoT and remote sensing, and various policy that our government is framing, and also the community, that is behavioral changes and awareness. So though the technology and policy plays a role, community plays a major role in achieving this goal. So we should have a awareness and good behavioral changes with respect to water or usage of this water. So let me focus on some of the hot research topic in AI/ML. That is our main issue here. I'm focusing on the two main issues which our country is facing, like water stress and the groundwater depletion. So for in order to improvise this water stress and groundwater depletion, how AI and ML can be used? Just I'm going to focus on it. So on the first model or first domain or research topic is water demand prediction. So a AI model can be analyzed or used to analyze the weather, the crop type, and the consumption pattern to predict the water demand for the particular crop. So based on that, we can estimate what is the water quantity needed for a particular crop or for that agriculture farm and everything. So this will help the farmer for precision agriculture or irrigation. So nowadays, one of the hot research domain is precision agriculture. So this water demand prediction model can be used for this precision irrigation so that we can reduce the overuse of groundwater. So this one of the good domain, good topic we can use. And the next one is groundwater monitoring and mapping. So with the help of the ML and remote sensing, we can find out the ground, that is with the satellite images and everything, we can find out the hot spot where the groundwater level is good. So based on that, we can go with the further whether the cultivation can be done or agriculture can be done or any plantation can be done on it. And the third topic, which I feel which would be very interesting, is smart irrigation system. So the smart irrigation system, as we know, we are integrating IoT sensor and the ML algorithms to decide the optimal timing and the quantity of irrigation. So we can tell that is so many research is going on in the agriculture for predicting, that is how much yield prediction is done. Similarly, we can also, that is recently I did one project on agriculture that we are predicting, that is whenever we are planning for a crop. So that is we are forecasting whether the particular crop price prediction can also be done after 6 months or 10 months based on the duration of the crop growth. The price of the crop can be analyzed. So that future forecasting can also be done. Similarly, this is for irrigation since deals with the water. So we can go with the IoT sensor and ML algorithm for predicting the optimal timing and quality of irrigation, so that we can save the water and also we can improve the crop yield also. And water quality assessment, again, ML classifier detect the contamination water, whether the water is in a good conditions or not. So this is AI powered yearly warning system. It is a yearly warning alert system can be maintained if there is any pollutions or any other thing contaminated with the water. So here again, since we deals with the detection part here, sensor data is also needed. So we can also integrate them with IoT sensor. And the next research topic is climate and rainfall prediction. So again, for climate and rainfall predictions, weather predictions and all, so many research work is going on in it. So deep learning model, it will forecast various rainfall patterns and flood and everything. So the government and farmers can plan water use, that is they can plan water usage efficiently, and they can also plan nowadays. Since there is an abnormal seasoning of rainfall, so I may think this type of prediction system may help the farmer to predict whether they can go with a particular type of crop in this particular type of season, so that they can avoid that wastage or some defect during that heavy rainfall seasons and all. And another interesting one is wastewater recycle and treatment. So AI optimized wastewater treatment plant by predicting chemical usage and energy needed. So this is also can be used. This is one of the domain where we can reuse, that is sustainable reuse of treated water can be used for agriculture and industry. And another major one is policy making and decision. So AI-driven decision system help the policy maker to make various policies to control the stress water and also this price prediction model and everything. So once a policy is properly done with the support of this AI technology, decision can be made on those policies. So, I hope these hot research domain may give you some idea to proceed with your research areas. And yeah, page. Um, so before going to the takeaway of this session, just I will show you that some of the interesting app. So I want to add some more point on this. So actually, yeah, just wait. So actually, the major topic is water sanitation and cleanliness. Since our country is mainly it is moving towards the water stress, so I have shown you various hot topics in this water stress and groundwater depletion part. Other than this, some more research domains are there where we can focus on it with the cleanliness and sanitation. So just wait. Yeah. I saw one app. Actually, I have seen so many apps, and then I was happy with this Bujula app. Bujal, okay, it's a Bujal app. So it was recognized by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer. So just wait, I'll show you that. Yeah, this Bujal app. Just I will open the Bujal app and check. Yeah, Bujal app. It is simplest and quickest app for monitoring the groundwater level. So with this, we can monitor the groundwater level, and these are the various features that is incorporated with this Bujal app. So it is an Android app and does not require any sensor or equipment, and measure water level within a minute. And it does not need to open the borewell and all. And geolocation and geofencing facilities available, and it is also available in 4 major language. Even that previous session we have seen about that woman app. No, we have seen that. What is that? Yeah, she rose. This app also is focusing on the major languages. Same in the English, Hindi, and Marathi and Kannada. Here also it is that. So actually, I have not installed this app, but it is download. It is free downloadable from the Google Play Store. It is supported by the GIS mapping, and all the analysis is done by this AI and ML. So this app not only provide a real-time water level, but also help to predict the groundwater usage and recharge also. So it is validated. This app is validated by IIT Mumbai, and it was recognized by the Ministry of Agriculture. So we can try this app. Yeah. So the major benefits. So these are the major benefits supported by this app: a powerful decision making, a demand side tool, and so whenever, so if we can see why we are seeing this major benefits, and also whenever we go with the demand decision making system or prediction, so everywhere by default our AI ML DL will come into picture. So that's why I'm showing this. Yeah, and this was certified by various government agency, as I said, central government and state government, and also IIT Mumbai. And it is observed that their accuracy is 99%. So lab certified for accuracy by Center for Water as 99%. So this app can be used for various process like agriculture. For agriculture, they will support in these parameters or these factors, that monitoring individual bore wells and aquifer mapping and water conservation plan. And for drinking water supply also, it provide various supports and policies, and water conservation and non-domestic water and monitoring research and policies. So as we all know, this app has given various factors how to download and use it. We can download from the Google Play Store, or for iPhone also we can download it. So this app was created by the Water Lab Solution Private Limited. And this one is Visual IoT. So actually, this Bhujan app, as I said, it does not require any sensor. So we can directly go on with it and we can try for it. Yeah, we can download from the Play Store also. And other than this, I think we have some more. So from that is so now our country is moving from policy driven to data driven water governance. So this JJM, as I said, one of the scheme opened by our central government, Jal Jeevan Mission, to supply water. So this JJM and ATAL Jal and this Namami Ganga and Smart City. So these are the data driven support. It's again a various type of websites on policies, which is used by various website to achieve this water level. So this shows that a multiple approach, that is multi factors like access, quality, and efficiency, but sustainability, everything combined together to achieve the progress in our growth of this SDG 6. So I think I've shown with one app. Yeah, this time was, I hope. Yes, sir. So as with this, let me end this session. So any query from the audience? whether I'm speaking individually or anybody is there listening.
Ma'am? Yes,
Sir?
ma'am.
Yes, sir. Sir, any queries, sir? Any queries from the audience, sir?
Ma'am,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
must see your phone, ma'am. Ma'am,
Sir?
ma'am, I'm calling you, ma'am, in phone.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. 1 minute, sir. Wait, phone.
Ma'am, I have unmuted all the participant mic, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yeah, let me go on with one more app. This app was developed by the Ministry of Rural Development. Actually, this app is not opening. Wait, I will take. Yeah, the app name is Jaldoot app. So this app is mainly used for measuring the underground water level. It was supported by the Ministry of Rural Development. So whatever the app you are focusing was supported by the various ministries. I think I didn't share the screen. Am I right?
Yeah, ma'am, your presentation is
Yes,
not
sir.
visible, ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir. I didn't share the screen. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. So this app was Jaldoot app. It was developed by the Ministry of Rural Development. So mainly for measuring the underground water level. I have taken various options to open it, but still the app. So we can open from the Google Play Store and we can install it. So some of the major important features of this lab, let me show how it is working. So it combine various factors. Yeah, it address various challenges. Based on that is for the farmer, they support in finding the groundwater level of a well also. So to collect, record, and share water level information directly to their smartphones. So with the smartphones and geotagging informations, it helps to collect, record, and share the water level. So this groundwater survey can be done, and based on that, various order or various sanction can be given. So by collecting and recording the various water levels, so a real-time decision can be made by the government, or any support for the farmers can be given based on it. So I hope this app will also be a very useful one to measure our water level. So mainly it is a backbone. It is one of the support for agriculture also. So can anyone tell me, as just an interactive session, how machine learning will play a role in this app? It is I'm asking a question instruction. Can you tell how machine learning can play a role over here? And one more question also I want to post before the audience, that I have given various methodology for detecting this water stress and groundwater level. Any NLP based model can be integrated with this. If so, can you give me a suggestion for it? Yeah, audience, please, can you hear me?
Audience, whether you can unmute your mic. John, sir, you can unmute your mic and you can speak, sir. Other participant, whether you are able to unmute your mic. Prabhu, sir, are you able to unmute your mic? R. Prabhu, Dr. R. Prabhu, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Whether the mic has been unmuted, sir.
Hello, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. It's audible. Any questions, ma'am? You can ask.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
can
sir.
interact, ma'am.
Just I'm asking whether NLP based model can be derived or supportive for these problem issues. If so, which place they can use it? Just I'm posting a question before them.
I will explain for myself.
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
can hear you, sir.
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Shall I ask the question again? In what way NLP based problem or a sentiment analysis problem can be used to sort out this? Yes, I'm posting a question before it.
Whether it is possible to put in chat box, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Progresses. Yeah, John, sir, just as you have posted one question, it is possible to detect skeletal fluorosis in district like Flora. Am I right, sir? In Karnataka, whether I'm spelling, I don't know whether I'm spelling correctly or not. Actually, this disease detection generally AI application can be done with various in the healthcare aspect also. So this disease is, I think it is one of a bone disease. It is caused because of this. I think I'm not sure because of I think some contamination in the drinking water. It can be caused because of it. Am I right, sir? So sure, sir. With the proper data set, we can go on with the AI to detect the occurrence of this disease. Actually, due to shortage of groundwater and contamination, that is because of this, these disease may occur. So actually, there are two perspectives. One, we can go with the prediction model, that is with various water level and their contamination, their ratio, or some parameters. Based on that, we can go whether it will lead to the disease or not. In another aspect, we can go with the medical parameter and we can detect whether the disease is present or not. So did I address your question, sir?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, in southern side and all near Arulvai Muli and Naurville and all near to Arulvai Muli, there are so many wind farms are there.
Yes, sir.
Normally, they won't get rainfall.
Okay, sir.
So based on the wind data, so we can predict the amount of rainfall throughout the year. Then from the rainfall, we can predict the land water level.
Yes, sir.
Can we do like this? We can use the AI for that areas based on the
Yes, sure,
prediction of
sir.
wind data.
Yeah, yes, sir. We can, sir. Actually, various weather parameter can be considered, and based on that, we can predict the rainfall also.
There it will be likely lower than 50 centimeter or 40 centimeter of rainfall throughout
Okay,
the
sir.
year. So based
Okay,
on the
okay.
data, we can find what is the water level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's
So
possible, sir.
in that case, and we can find out the and based on the vegetation also we can find out this because there we cannot cultivate rice and all. So there it will be suitable for low rainfall
So
cultivation.
based on the weather factor, that rainfall and pH level of the soil and various soil parameters, we can predict what type of cultivation can be done, what type of crop can be grown. So ML model can be used for that analysis also, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm answering for your question, ma'am. You're asking for AI can be used for predicting the water level.
Okay, sir. Okay. And then whether NLP can be used, in what way NLP can be used, sir?
Not sure about that, ma'am.
Yes, sir. The answer is good. The way you explain about your region is good, sir.
There is no groundwater, ma'am. Every day we need to purchase. In Chennai, Pallikarnai and all, the groundwater is hard water. There and all
Yes,
we
sir.
cannot use that hard water. We can, if our daily usage, we need to purchase the water.
Okay, sir.
So we need to spend more amount for that water is not usable for any of the aspect.
Mhm.
So in
Whether
that
it is the
case,
salt water, sir, it is will be very salty or fully contaminated.
no, it is completely salty and it is the marshland. So we cannot get good waters from that marshland near Pallikarnai towards Solinganallur.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Even though there is land water, but we cannot use for our daily usage.
Okay, sir. So any
There,
remedial measures we can plan for it, sir? Do you have any remedial measures for it? Any idea for it?
as a energy kind of thing, we can go for a desalination or solar heaters like that. But even though it's not up to the level, it's commercially too high. So we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
go for that one. The only option is we can purchase from some water supplier. Then we can fill the sump. Then we can use it for 1 or 2 weeks. And again, we need to go for another water purchase.
Okay, so
That's
yes,
the
sir.
thing
Yeah.
happen here.
So
So there
because
we
of
can.
this, yes, sir, please.
There only the data is we should collect the data from the water suppliers. That's the only thing we can find it. And which area we can get the good water and all. Because so many
Yes, sir.
apartments are there.
Yes,
There is
sir.
no direct data related to water, groundwater.
Yes, sir.
Because everywhere groundwater will be there, but we cannot use the water.
Yes, sir. That's what the major problem with our country, as I stated in the PPT also. The water stress and the groundwater depletion is a major issue. So we have many AI and ML models to predict it, but we have to have maintain some real method to try to solve it. As they are telling that rainwater harvesting and all, but we are not sure how far it will work.
Mom, that area and all rainwater harvesting also too tough because already groundwater is too salty. If you
Yes,
even have
sir.
the drain harvesting, again that water also contaminate very fast because
Yes,
of the
sir.
groundwater.
Yes, yes.
It's too tough to judge the data to get the correct level of soft waters data there. We can get easily hard water data. It's easy to find out
Yes, sir.
everywhere. There's only hard water data.
Yes, sir.
Based on the land type, we can find it. That is completely a marshland. So
Okay.
so that from the type of land, we can say that this land is not suitable for good waters. But any of people are purchasing apartments there over.
Yes, sir.
They're surveying with the external suppliers, water suppliers.
Yes. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes. Since it is a residential area, then we are not going with any other plantation or cultivation. That's one factor is there.
And ma'am, nowadays, no, most of that water paths, that is the seaways and all, sea waterways and all, it's empty. There is no water because of improper maintenance of rivers and local sea bodies. There is no proper what is the monitoring of that one. So collecting the data is gives always that empty data. We cannot. While traveling towards Chennai to Trichy, we can find n number of bridges constructed over the rivers, but in the rivers there
Yes,
is no waters.
yes, sir.
Nowadays,
So
now
our SDG 6 goal is to improve it. So as citizens of country, we have to find out various methods that to with the support of AI and ML, I hope.
yes, ma'am. Like we can nowadays we can see a countable number of rivers
Yes, sir. Yes.
in Tamil Nadu, all over India.
So any other suggestions or queries from the audience, or you are willing to share anything? Sir, as I can give you one thing, sir, we are, as you give various suggestions, we can create this. I'm integrating with AI and ML. We can create an NLP based model so that we can collect various data or various issues faced by various people, and we can represent to the government as a so that they can make any policy if possible. That can be done from our part. As a researcher, we can go on with it, I hope.
Yes, ma'am. We can do like that.
Yes, sir.
But everyone is integrated with their own research field, right, ma'am? So as of now, I'm not concentrating on water quality and all. I have some other field. And
Yes, sir. Yes.
but any of people from renewable energy like solar field or the desalination side, they can concentrate on water side, especially on the converting seawater into drinking water. They can do more, they can do some research over there, and they can reduce the cost of the desalination plant and all. That is possible because in southern India and all, we are our land, we are having a big area for sea waters, so it's easily to convert the seawater into drinking waters. That is also
Sure,
possible.
sir.
So there we
Sure,
can
sir.
use AI, how we can reduce the time to minimum time to produce the good water from sea waters. So other particular operating parameters there they can use AI or some prediction modeling or optimization technique to minimize the cost and the production time so that it can be useful.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So based on various research domain or various people involvement, we can work for it.
Yes, ma'am. Another one is converting that water, sewage water into drinking water using algae production, or converting from the algae, we can go increase the BOD, COD. That thing also possible, increasing that biological oxygen content. That also, yesterday, that Sendil Kumar had told about that one. That also possible. We can increase BOD, COD. He given one AI tool that is just using the chat GPT. He analyzed the what is the water quality. So from chat GPT, it's giving nearly 10 points, nearly 10 to 15 points. So it's giving the data based on the color, based on the what is the living things. If you're able to see fish or then likewise we can have some data from AI tools. Then based on the data, he used to monitor the quality of waters. Apart from pH levels, some of the technical terms related to water. Simple things using AI, he stated a few things. How water is good, how quality of water is whether it's good or bad based on the just general opinion about the waters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
So, sir, you belong to which department, sir?
Me, you mean
Yes, sir.
I'm belonging to mechanical department.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. That's why you're talking more technically than this.
No, ma'am, it's actually the water is it's a common thing. It's a common thing. It's needed to everyone. So everyone should have the
Yes.
knowledge of water. So from the birth we are used to consume water. So water is the first thing to us. So we need to really bother about waters. Nowadays everyone using RO. We don't know how good the water is. Now mostly this water is nowadays most of the funding agency are talking about hydrogen from the production of wastewaters.
Mhm.
So waste to energy is the biggest one. I think it's one of the sustainable goals of India.
Yes, sir. Yes.
There are a lot of project goes on converting that sewage into industrial wastage to into hydrogen production. There are a lot of funding agents. Last time also MNRE they are coming with the one funding to convert a waste to hydrogen. That is green hydrogen production. Likewise, they are asking nowadays. The water treatment plant is the most important thing in the India, especially all industries in the places like Chennai and all.
Any other queries from the audience?
Any questions from audience? Thank you, Manikandan sir. Ma'am, Manikandan sir is from SRM University, I think.
Okay, sir.
Katangattu.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. I'm from SRM. It's nice to meet you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Participants, any other questions?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, it's a very nice session, and even I just came to realize that most of us mostly focus on using AI for healthcare, various disease detection and classification, but we totally undermine this important topic of water. And it is a very eye-opening session. Even all my scholars, they're working on healthcare department. They are using breast cancer classification and all that, but this is a very untouched topic, so it should be uh, we should focus on this topic also. So it's a very nice, even I got some ideas from this session. So thank you so
Thank you,
much
ma'am.
for this
Thank you.
session.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, any queries, any questions? Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, sir.
thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Ma'am, thank you. On behalf of our K. Ramakrishna College of Engineering and Department of AADS, I extend my sincere gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. M. Ambika ma'am, for their insightful session and valuable knowledge shared throughout this session. Your expertise has greatly enriched the learning experience of all participants, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank you.
giving me this opportunity.
Thank you,
Thank you so much.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Sir Kiran sir, are you there, sir? Kiran Bala sir? Ma'am, Kiran Bala sir told to you thank you for this session, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I want to convey that I am one of the faculty from K. Ramakrishna. Happy for that also, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Participants, I have posted the feedback link. I have posted the feedback link in this group for the session 5 and 6. You can use the feedback link and you can put the feedback link before 11 o'clock. Any queries regarding any other sessions? Any questions?
Sir, can you share the PPT materials of all the sessions?
Yeah, sir. We can. I will upload in ATAL portal, sir. It will be reflected to you.
Okay, sir.
Or
Thank
otherwise, we will share a drive, sir.
Okay.
Drive link. All the session PPT will be uploaded in the drive, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Participant, we have marked the attendance for you for past 2 days. You can check over that. Any query regarding attendance and anything means you can text me. You can tell me now.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Sir, I'm Kavirajan, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, one kindly request, sir. Sir, please
sir.
give me the link in link format, sir, not for text. That's why we can't able to click or copy that link. So please do the needful, sir.
Sir, for feedback link, sir. Whether it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Feedback link, sir.
I will post in WhatsApp also, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Daily we
Okay,
are
thank you,
posting
sir.
in WhatsApp and also in this meet also, sir. Daily we are
Okay, sir.
posting. Okay.
Okay, sir. In that WhatsApp group, link will be posted in text format, sir. So please provide in a link format, sir. That's why I'm telling, sir.
Okay, sir. I will see that, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir? Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
சார் இப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு இஷ்யூ ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ நான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டீம்ஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு ஒரு 1 hour செஷன் அட்டன் பண்ணேன்.
சடனா என்
Okay, ma'am.
லேப்டாப் வந்து திரும்ப அப்டேட் போயிட்டு ஒரு 5 மினிட்ஸ் கழிச்சு திரும்ப நான் உள்ள வந்துட்டேன். இது
Okay,
எதுவும்
ma'am.
இஷ்யூ இருக்குமா சார்? ஏன்னா டைமிங் நோட் பண்ணது என்ன திரும்ப 1 ஹவர்ல இருந்தே காட்டுது. ஒரு இது
No
காட்டுனது
issues,
1
ma'am.
ஹவர்
No
காட்டுது.
issues, ma'am. Ma'am, that is not at all problem. We will take care, ma'am.
ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார். தேங்க் யூ சார்.
No issues, ma'am. No issues, ma'am.
ஓகே சார்.
Participants, you can leave from the session.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, this is Arul Kumar from JIT, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, while I am registering, my mail ID is my personal mail ID already given, sir. But while logging to your session, sir, official mail ID only Microsoft MS Office login, sir. No, there is any
Sir.
issue, sir? No problem,
No,
sir.
sir. Just give your name, sir, correctly. That is enough, sir.
Name already is given correctly, sir.
Name, what you have
Mail ID
registered,
only-
just give that name and login. That is enough, sir.
Okay, sir. But while attending this session, it shows only for official mail ID, sir.
Sir, no, mail ID is not a problem, sir. Just give your registered name. That is enough, sir.
That is correctly mentioned, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can we get the recorded session of this?
Uploaded in YouTube, ma'am. It will be uploaded in YouTube after all the session is completed, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Faisal, sir, if anything is further, no more question, we can wind up the session, sir.
Okay, sir. I'm closing the session, sir. Okay. Thank you.